Hello guys, welcome to another video. I hope you all are doing well. I am back to another important update. Yesterday, I shared a hiring update from GeekyAnts for the AI ML engineer role, and now the update regarding that has arrived. So today, I'll be discussing the assessment related to it in details, which you'll be able to see further in this video. If you are new to this channel or if you are watching my video for the first time, then please subscribe to the channel, because I post updates related to off-campus hiring and job-related content. As you can see on the screen, yesterday I shared a hiring update for the AI ML engineer position from GeekyAnts. The link is still active, so if you haven't applied yet, you can still apply using that link. Now, as you can see on the screen, the email has been received. The interview invitation for AI ML engineer from GeekyAnts. You have been invited for an interview for the position of AI ML engineer from GeekyAnts. This is an automated video interview round, and it will be approximately 30 minutes long. You can also consider this as a communication round assessment. And make sure you have a stable internet connection to complete this video round interview. So now, let's move ahead and discuss the complete assessment in detail. Before starting the assessment, there are a few mandatory steps you need to complete. First, you have to turn on your camera. Second, your microphone and voice recording will be enabled. Third, you must share your screen. Once all these steps are completed, your assessment will begin. The assessment will start with some basic screening questions that you need to write them. What is your total years of experience? Please let us know your current CTC. Please let us know your expected ECTC. What is your notice period? Are you available to attend an in-person interview at the office? After answering these basic questions, your video interview round will begin. Now, let me explain the interview questions one by one. Before moving to the interview round, let me tell one important thing. There will be total of 12 questions in this video round interview. Now let's start the interview round questions one by one in details. The first question you will see on the screen is: tell me about yourself. Here, you simply need to give a brief introduction about your background, skills, and experience. The second question will be a technical one. What is the output of the following code and explain why? You will be given a small code snippet along with multiple options. You have to select the correct output and explain the reason. Now moving to the third question. The third question will be similar one. What will be printed and explain why? A small function will be shown, and you need to explain what it prints and why. In the following questions, you will again be given short code snippets and asked to explain their output. Options will be provided, and you have to choose the correct one and explain your reasoning verbally. Now coming to question number 5. Which operation is best suited when working with tabular data for cleaning and transformation? Please share your reasoning. You will be given multiple options, such as Python lists, Pandas data frames, dictionaries only. From these options, you have to choose the correct answer and explain why it is best suited for tabular data cleaning and transformation. Now coming to question number 6. Why are embeddings used in search or RAG-based systems? The options provided are: to store raw data efficiently, to represent semantically meaningful information in numerical form, to fine-tune large language models, To reduce inference cost, you need to select the correct option and explain your reasoning. Now moving to question number 7. Here again, you will be given a code snippet. Your task is to identify what the output will be and explain why. Now coming to question number 8. In this question, you are asked to write a function to check whether a given string is a palindrome. Some constraints are given. Ignore case. Ignore spaces. You also need to explain the logic while writing the code. For example, the input string is a man, a plan, a canal, Panama. The output will be true, because even when read in reverse, the string remains the same after ignoring spaces and case differences. So similarly, you have to write one palindrome code. Now moving to the next question. If you are asked to integrate an AI API or tool that you have never used before, how would you approach it? Here, you need to explain your approach and problem-solving strategy. Coming to question 10, the question is: you are building a fast API endpoint that receives JSON input and returns a response. How does Fast API validate incoming request data and automatically generate API documentation? You will be given multiple options like by manually writing validation logic inside routes, by using decorators and middleware only, by using pydantic models for request-response schemas, by relying on Swagger UI configuration. You need to choose the best answer and explain why you selected it. Now coming to question 11, question 11 is: in a retrieval augmented generation (RAG) system, what is the primary role of a retriever? You need to select the correct option. Options will be: generate the final answer using an LLM, convert user queries into prompts, fetch the most relevant chunks documents based on embeddings, fine-tune the language model. So you need to select the correct option and explain your answer. Now moving to the last question, question number 12, the last question is: what is the main purpose of WebSockets compared to REST APIs? Options include stateless request-response communication, one-way server communication, real-time, bidirectional communication, batch processing. You have to select the option you feel is correct and explain your choice. So, this is all about the assessment process and the types of questions asked in the video interview round. So it's a great opportunity for you all. If you didn't apply yet, apply as soon as possible. So that's all about today's video. If this video helpful for you, then like the video and share with your friends and subscribe for more useful video. Thank you.